जी असने पीछे है ओल्ड बाजार सो कि दसना उसी है तो ओल्ड बाजार जरा ना उसने विच अस जेड़े हुन ओल्ड बाजार सो कि दसने हैं अगे एक बार गए सो ते हुन सेकंड टाइम अस जो ओल्ड बाजार जेड़े था आए हैं तो वाले सो सॉरी ब्रदर अस्सलाम वालेकुम ब्रदर select chino in chino dini jalan ऊपरी चीज़ है बच्चे ने कपड़े के बने जी yes brother full time शुक्रिया
brother 50 no 300 lira for you.
Black I have small.
Okay, show me small size.
And blue I have small.
Okay, show me.
This one. This is small.
too small है ना ठीक है आसम में बुरा हो जाएगा
That's the show.
Amna
Ayana.
This is
Large. Ayana.
Tim sen de yani konu
Ama bunlar glass İtalyan.
Bu pısındı.
Amna yana
Dil pısındı.
Yes, normal, optik. Bizde lira. Bu orijinal.
we bought it yesterday from your shop remember
Bak otomatik bu.
why this is not 250 you gave me yesterday less price
200 okay, tamam hadi. 200, 300.
yesterday
Three.
before you gave me less price so now how come it's 300 today
1, 2, 3. Kaç tane alacaksın abi sen?
So give me the good price.
Good price. 2, 3. 1, madam. 2.
madam and him two
Tamam. See, 55. Okay. How much abi? How much? How much? Okay.
but this is so much why you ask
Abi garanti.
no guarantee
Garanti.
hayati no guarantee
Hayatı no garanti olur mu? Oto garanti.
no guarantee no guarantee
Bak UFA 400. Bak UFA 400.
for 200 and 200
1, 2, 3.
200 200
Evet 200 başka?
400 for two 400
2,
this
500. 500.
no 400 brother
500.
no brother no way
Okay.
400 per
Yes.
check no way
Okay.
बोलो भैया जी आस्किंग प्राइस 500 फिर 300 पर थला एंड पर 200 सवा देती हैं समोसाले water leaking brother look at the shop
How much this one?
This one 300 lira.
This is dress, madam.
ये ऊपर ही पे भी नहीं
And dress 300 lira. Okay.
what you said for this one
This one's 300, 350, then make for you 250.
okay I tell you honestly right you know the shops we've been to we bought quite few stuff polo shirts in this market they ask 300 they ask then they drop it down you know and I know right but this shirt nobody asked for 300 everybody asked for
No,
200
250 is okay.
no everybody asks for 200 and then they say okay how much down you start 300
Okay, then
for my
200.
sister
Okay,
no,
then
not
200.
200 my sister
200 each.
no Ukhti listen no you know Ukhti mean sister right I confuse. Everybody asks for 200. You start with 300. What a beauty. So tell me how much good price for this. Jalal.
Okay, then two pieces make for you and then 300. And then 450, okay?
350 for 3.
453.
150 pound आखनी है। इतना की क्वालिटी सी चंगी है तो।
ठीक है।
हैं?
ठीक है। इसकी फिर और नहीं लगनी।
अच्छा करी कोई खोली गया ना?
How much for this one?
Only depends.
Sister, so lovely.
Last
First
300.
one. First prize.
First price. So make good price for this. No 400, no 300, no 200, no 100. Tell me what's the good price?
For children t-shirt 200.
No, don't forget that. First tell me this one. I'm good, no good with math.
दो लाने
Pehle ऐसे पूछो. For this one, how much?
7 çarpı 2 artı 80.
क्या करनी है?
240 artı 80. Yeah, this is normal 320 and make for you 300. This is nice price.
So what is a good price? What is the price you give to your brother? And 250 करी कितना?
Okay, 250, 280.
No, make it like 200 at least.
No.
Look, this is ripped.
Yeah, this is
If you change, listen, if you change this
Money
one,
back guarantee.
if you change this one, this is gonna be like 200.
But
No, 150.
I
You give me
speak in the material guarantee, not the zip guarantee.
Material guarantee, not
No zip
Material guarantee. Maybe using the telephone and.
I didn't put nothing.
Look here, my telephone.
You know why?
and here the
Listen.
kaput.
Why you use this zip? You put
you
telephone.
make in the-
Listen,
your
you
wife-
put put telephone and use zip, or you want me to give telephone to my wife all the time? Okay, give me
Your
the.
wife in home is in the Megan. This one is not kaput.
So
Make it
if
no
something
problem.
goes wrong with this one, my wife can do something, fix it.
Back,
Okay,
back.
tell me what's the good price.
Back, and this is 200.
ये दो लानी पे कुड़ी नहीं।
Okay.
कुड़ी हाँ दो ही
No,
हैं।
not
Two
200.
pieces.
200, yeah.
And this one is in the
450.
450. Last price.
ठीक है.
And they make for you 250. Okay, last price and 900 altogether.
So that's super.
Super price.
Office.
Okay, make 850 super price.
No.
Oh yes, yes.
900.
Okay, make 800 then. That's super.
The 900 is...
850.
Brother, please, yeah. Today not...
Me brother?
Yes, you
Then I
my
give you-
brother.
then I
And
give you-
today is not very people. You know, it's in the make very cheap price.
You know, you said brother, I give you 900. No brother, 850.
Okay, then brother 900. Almadan.
No, you follow the schedule. Bonnie, it's okay, no?
होतो सोने से तो लोग أنا نزلت مو أمنا.
It's the best price, but I am small shop. I am not like other shop. They making better. 400 still I make it.
This one is 40 lira.
Where do you live? England?
We live in England, yes.
My cousin also live in London.
MashaAllah.
He is warmer hair cutter.
You know,
Barber.
I don't know why. Like most people I know in UK, and Turkish people they are haircut.
Money.
I don't know.
The money have.
Yeah.
He take very good money. It is.
Make good money, yeah.
He's young, you know, about 28, 30 years old.
Yeah.
He's young,
Yeah.
but he have very good customers. And always in England, university customer, university doctor, they make it
Yeah.
cut it. It is.
No, the good thing, I'll be honest with you, here, like, you know, in, don't take me wrong, okay? Here,
Okay,
in this market, right?
Yeah.
You know, when we buy everything, they go prices high, down. I'm just saying, right?
This is discount. The real price, this is really.
Yeah.
You'll be sure when you ask some like this one, but quality is important. Look, I have here 300.
Yeah.
But bigger 300.
Yeah.
But quality is not same. You know it is.
Yeah.
They say 700, 800. After that, not good because just no tourists also want make they.
But you know, if
yeah,
they
but
have
not
some,
good.
if they
I
have
don't
fixed
like.
price, all is good. But obviously, when the people don't have fixed price,
Yeah,
then tourists
must be
they
for us also good. You know, for us,
oh, it's
you
good
know.
for everybody.
Yes.
People come here, visit you, you
Yeah.
know, see things, buy. Obviously, you know,
Yeah.
these things, right? It's compared to
Yeah.
UK, very, very cheap.
Yeah.
Even is 500 is cheap. You know, compared to UK, it's very
Ah.
cheap. But when people drop the prices on,
Yeah.
thank you. Nice meeting you, brother.
Have a
Look after
good
yourself.
day.
Assalamu alaikum.
Have-
Khuda Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz. Chalo ji. Ona san chaliye ithe. Hadi.
Her şeyi kaydediyor.
Allah onu vase.
İthe lasam. What does that mean? Oh, the partition see. She can so it's alright. Chal see, huh? Thodi khuli nahi?
To sağ soruyor. Tamam mı? To sağ soruyor Jesse.
Big isn't it?
No, this is okay.
To sağ soruyor.
Vallahi şık.
Badi.
Jenny पसंद है
तो बड़ी नहीं वैसे 100
What?
अच्छा दोस्त कितने पैसे दे इसमें
तो सोने आगे बढ़िया
300 ya, 3.
so how much
Normal and this one is in the 380 make for you in 300.
you know
I know.
और भी शॉप पे ले जाने थे फिर 200 euros
200 euros का चाहिए
200 for this okay no if no buts
250 hadi.
no no no
The 250 brother.
and you know sister
Okay, ver
Vallahi.
200. Ver. Ah, here.
Oh, thank you.
you know my wife she spent no money on me okay
Okay.
assalamu alaikum Allah hafiz I'll see you next year
İnşallah.
Kaç tane alalım? Al.
Riyad,
10 lira var.
he doesn't speak he's not speaking take it say go on which one you want
Hangisini alıyor?
ऐसे करने कर सकते हैं
Oh, मुआली के नहीं ना I'm not.
ask him how much is it Amina
So how much lira?
20 lira.
20 lira. Ah, the day 20 see now.
Water. Şurada.
Oh, put water inside. Okay, okay.
Parmağını orada kalacak.
तो शुक्रन तो शक्कर
Let the sugar.
Teşekkür.